What's up, course hero? Welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Amit, and today's quick tip video is about how to change the social share image when sharing your new Zenler pages on social media. Without further ado, let's get started. So in order to change your social share image, what I'm going to do first is show you what that image is set to right now. I'm going to copy my sales page URL, go to my Facebook wall, paste it here, change the visibility that only I see it. Now when you paste the link, don't go off of the image that's showing here, and here's why I'm telling you why. If I go to edit this page, right, I'm going to open up the editor. In the top corner here, if you go to SEO settings, you can change the social share image here. I've picked an image from my image library. Even though it's not showing here, once I select to post it, you will see that it automatically picks up the latest image. Now what happens if you change this? So let's go back into my editor, and I'm going to change this image, right? So I'm going to change the social share image from my image to this icon right here, and now I'm going to save this. Now what's going to happen is when I go back here, now that I've changed that image, if I post it in here, I'm going to paste that same link again. It doesn't always happen immediately. What you can do for that change to go into effect immediately is you're going to go to the debugging tool, and I'll share the link in the description below. It's developers.facebook.com/tools/debug, and here you can see I can ask Facebook to scrape it again, and you do have to be logged into Facebook in order to do this. Paste your school's page link here and click debug, and now it's showing me that new image has taken into effect, which I just changed in the SEO settings. So if I go back onto my Facebook wall, paste that same link again and post it, that new image should go into effect. Now sometimes there is a caching issue as well, so I would suggest you also change the browser cache on whatever browser you're using and then retry it, and if that doesn't work, then just give it a few minutes. But that's how you set your social image for any page in New Zenler, and that is how you can change it. And there you have it, course heroes. That is how you can fix the social share image, and I covered only Facebook. In coming videos I'll cover other social platforms, but Facebook is the one that's most widely used, so I wanted to cover that first so you can hit the ground running once you're on New Zenler. If you're new to the channel, consider hitting the subscribe button so you get notified every time I release a new video. And thank you so much for watching. Keep creating. I'll see you on the flip side.